An environment represents a virtual space within your organization. From the main screen, you can view both your own environments and those to which you have been invited. An environment groups companies, offices, warehouses, or areas that share the same information. For example, it could represent your company and all its locations. You should only create separate environments when managing datasets that should not be related to each other, or when working with different time zones. This applies, for example, if you manage two companies in different countries. It is also recommended to create separate environments when working with different inventories, currencies, or time zones, or when you need to assign multiple roles to the same user. To create a new environment, click Create an Environment. Enter the name of your environment. The URL for the hub will be generated automatically, and you can share it with other users so they can submit maintenance requests. Select the time zone. This setting determines the official time that your entire environment will use within SVISION. Thanks to this, activities, readings, reports, and records are correctly synchronized with your organization's local time. Next, select the environment currency, which will define the financial values within the virtual environment. This is unrelated to your billing. Afterward, choose the environment language. This will be the system's default language for all incorporated information, such as asset types, catalogs, and records. Keep in mind that even if you change the language in your personal profile, the system information will continue to be displayed in the language configured for that environment. It is important to note that fields marked with an asterisk cannot be modified later. Finally, click Create.